Get it, Karma. We didn't realize that the crinkle bag has a bird chirping thing inside of it. Leah never activated it because she thought it would be so annoying. And Karma activated it with her teeth. It was a little tab that had to be pulled out. And she found it. She's looking for the bird. Get it, Karma? Get that bird. Yeah, get it. Get that bird. You done? We don't want to bore people to death, you know. Of course, you're pretty slow moving. Hey, you already bit the feather off of there. Leave that string alone. I should have cut it off. She'll probably eat it. Yep, she's going to try and eat it. Even better, she's chewing. Karma! Well, I better go get that string off there before she eats it. Bye.